Good day everyone, welcome to my channel, and then in this tutorial video guys we will learn how to declare nested for loop statement in C programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my supporters, subscribers, viewers, and visitors in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Your comment and suggestion is highly appreciated. So let's get started. In this tutorial video, this will be my first time to use online gdb.com, online C compiler or other programming language. It is free to use on running several programming language here. So we have here sharp include stdio.h. It is a standard input-output header file, library file in C language that we use for input-output. Line number 3, it is a main function. It is the starting and ending point of every C programs. Begin, and then we have a series of variables here that has a data type of integer. If we are new with data types in programming, data type integer means it can only accept whole number, negative numbers including 0. So I declared 3 variables, I, j, and k. So we have line number 6, the title of our program, nested for loop statement in C, 3 \t, horizontal tab, new line. And then when we say for loop statement, a nested for loop statement rather, we have the first and then second for loop statement. So I equals 0, I less than 10, increment, horizontal tab, for j, inside j equals 0, semicolon, j less than 10, increment, $sign, new line, and then new line here, and then \t, for \t or horizontal tab in C, and a program new line, print line, return 0, it will return to our operating system, and then close. I will put a link in the video description guys so that you can download the complete source code for free. Okay, so let us click the run button. Compiling the program, checking for syntax error. So we have here nested for loop statement in C. We have here an image of $square and a program. Okay, so that's it. We have 18 lines of code. I hope that you learned something new in this tutorial video on how to declare and use nested for loop statement in C programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel if you like this video by clicking the subscribe button. I repeat, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.